Hello everyone, my name is Doreen. Christmas is just around the corner and I couldn't be more excited about it. So, since it is Christmas and we are at the end of the year, so I decided to bake something. So I decided to bake a Christmas themed cupcake in celebrating this festival. So, let's get started. So this is the decorations of my cupcake in the themes of Christmas. Although it is not perfect, but I do enjoy the process of baking it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and you can also try it because it is pretty simple that you can make it at home. So see you guys again and Merry Christmas!